I just left Lori and Bruce's house. I have been hosted for the last 5 nights, all by trikers. It's just been amazing. The triking community has just been fantastic throughout this whole tour. Yesterday, I rode with Amy to Mansfield and just had a really terrific ride. And now I am on my own, left Bruce and Lori's house, and I am heading east towards Pittsburgh. It's cold. It's a cold morning. It's raining, but it's Sunday, and Sunday is always a good day to ride because it's so much quieter, less traffic, and I know I'm going to be on roads today. The weather for the next couple of days is actually calling for snow. And today, even though it is wet and raining, I'm hoping to put in a good amount of miles because I may have to take a rest day tomorrow. We will see. So I'm leaving Mansfield and I am headed to Massillon near Canton, Ohio. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. So I'm almost 10 miles into my ride today. It's been very wet, but it seems like the rain has stopped. And if you can see behind me, I've got some blue skies. So things are looking up. It also seems like the temperature is warming up, not as cold. So hopefully the roads will start to dry. But and luckily it's Sunday, so it's pretty quiet out here. But yeah, I'm going kind of a lake. I think it's a lake. It's very pretty. And it looks like I may have just crossed into a new county because I had a rumble strip on the fog line, which kept me out of the shoulder, and it seems to have disappeared. So now I have a little bit more room on the road. It's always nice to have. Coming into the little town of Hayesville. Got directions in my ear. Google telling me to keep going straight on Main Street. And thought I was going to get a little more sunshine, but it seems to have clouded over again. I am 15 miles into my ride, and I already have 1,000 feet of climbing. Google said I would have 2,500 feet of climbing for 57 miles. I was thinking 3,000. At this rate, I think it's going to be more. But we'll see. We'll see. See what happens with the weather and all the climbing. Hayesville has an opera house. 1886. Makes it seem like this town is very cultured. Still on the Lincoln Highway, headed south. Very nice road. So I'm on the Lincoln Highway. This highway goes from New York to San Francisco. And I have been to the end of it in San Francisco, one of the first transcontinental highways in the United States. Going through the little town of Mifflin, historic Mifflin. Yeah, how funny is this? The J.M. Smucker Company here. Well, they really own a lot of different companies, don't they? Coffee, Smuckers, Santa Cruz. Meow Mix. Yeah, I just thought I'd kind of pull in here and see what it was. They're probably not open today, but I thought that was kind of fun. Just on this quieter road here. Milkbone, Jif and Folgers. Ohio 57 North. Here we go. I am on my way to a little town called Wooster. I think it's a college town. I'm gonna pick up some supplies there. I have a feeling I'm gonna be at a hotel for a couple of nights. And Google is plotting my course, put me on a lot of small county roads, which are nice, but with the rain, I'm a little bit concerned that it's going to put me on some gravel roads. And so I have turned onto Highway 30, actually the Lincoln Highway, and I've got plenty of room here. It's definitely going to be busier than those country roads, farm roads, but it's Sunday, so there's not going to be much commercial traffic out here. It's also going to be graded much more subtly than the county roads. Yeah, downtown Wooster, Ohio. All right, let's make a left here. Now look at this. All right, so I have made it to Massillon, Ohio. My tour has been very social for the last few days. In fact, I was hosted by Trikers for 5 nights in a row. When I got here, another biker showed up at the same time. I think he said his name was Rob, and he's riding from Cincinnati to Cleveland on the Ohio to Erie Trail. We had dinner together. I actually met him for breakfast this morning. The weather here is terrible. I woke up to snow flurries temperatures like 35 degrees, very strong winds. Rob could not stay. He's on a time frame. He had to go brave it. I'm taking a rest day, getting some stuff done. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit better, not a lot better, but I'm going to brave it tomorrow. But here, my room at the Hampton Inn, and interestingly enough, this room is actually on the 3rd floor. I had to ride ramps up the parking garage, and then there was automatic doors, and so I rode my trike with the trailer right through the lobby and into my room. So yeah, I'm gonna take it a rest day. It's very comfortable. I am safe and warm. And that's my update. So you guys, thank you so much for following along. I love all your comments and just all the enthusiasm and encouragement. You guys have been really, really great. So, all right, welcome to Massillon, Ohio.